The PROCAS system is a web-based system and can be accessed on any device with a web browser and internet connection. This video will teach users accessing PROCAS Timekeeping on an Android device how to create a home screen shortcut icon for the PROCAS login page. To clarify, PROCAS Timekeeping is not an app, but rather a mobile-optimized version of the PROCAS site designed for a better mobile experience. There is nothing to download from an app store. Since PROCAS Timekeeping is not an installed mobile app, you'll always have the most up-to-date version of our software and won't have to worry about routinely updating an app or the operating system on your mobile device. Start with opening a web browser, such as Chrome, on your Android phone or tablet. In the address bar, type accounting.procas.com. This is the login page to the PROCAS system for all users. To create the shortcut icon for the page, tap the More Options kebab icon, the three little dots. Scroll to and select the option Add to Home Screen. Name the shortcut and tap Add. Touch and hold to place manually or tap Add automatically. A new shortcut icon that looks like an app icon is now available on your home screen. The icon image is the PROCAS P logo. When you tap the icon, your web browser will launch and open to the PROCAS login screen. You can now enter your username and password to log in. Some PROCAS users opt to save their login credentials in the phone or tablet and use the device's biometric or PIN number security capabilities to quickly complete the login process in future sessions. For written instruction of this process, please refer to the Mobile Time Instructions document, which you can download anytime in the desktop version of PROCAS under the Timesheets submenu of the Resources menu.